Welcome to Carz Trends, where innovation meets adrenaline. Today, we bring you an exclusive deep dive into the Mercedes SL 300, a car that isn't just a statement of performance, but a revolution in the heart of driving enthusiasts across the United States. Buckle up, this ride is going to be electrifying. The Mercedes SL 300 isn't just an evolution, it's a reawakening. Rooted in a legendary bloodline that includes the iconic 300 SL gullwing, this Grand Tour has been meticulously engineered to honor its heritage while redefining what it means to drive with precision and passion. With a newly enhanced inline-6 engine producing up to 375 horsepower with EQ boost assistance, this machine is all about pushing the limits of refined power delivery. The SL 300 now takes its rightful place among the most stylish yet capable luxury sports convertibles in its class, and does so with an audacious spirit that captures the attention of every purist. The design of the SL 300 is unapologetically aggressive and timeless. From its sleek, sculpted lines to the wide stance and long bonnet, every surface is a nod to the golden era of racing while embracing modern aerodynamics. The Panamericana grille gives it a commanding presence, while the active rear spoiler and flush door handles add a high-tech edge. The design doesn't just turn heads, it slices through the air with grace and control, combining classic elegance with modern muscle. Step inside, and you're greeted with a cockpit that bridges grand touring luxury with race-inspired functionality. Premium leather upholstery, turbine-style air vents, and a wraparound dash put you at the center of attention. The AMG Performance steering wheel offers tactile control, and the ultra-responsive digital gauge cluster brings all the vital stats to your fingertips. The retractable roof can transform the experience from coupe-like comfort to open-air freedom in under 15 seconds. This is a cabin where craftsmanship meets cutting-edge connectivity, and it's all tailored for the discerning driver. Performance-wise, the SL 300 is a finely balanced sports tourer. The turbocharged inline-6 is paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission that delivers seamless gear shifts, while the rear-wheel drive layout ensures an authentic, engaging drive. Acceleration from 0 to 60 miles per hour is clocked around 4.8 seconds, not hypercar quick, but plenty fast to make your heart race. Adaptive suspension smooths out imperfections on the highway and tightens up when the road gets twisty, offering a sublime blend of comfort and handling. But the SL 300 isn't just about speed, it's about control and precision. Drive mode selectors give you instant access to Comfort, Sport, Sport Plus, and individual modes, adjusting throttle response, shift patterns, suspension stiffness, and exhaust tone to match your mood. With dynamic steering and torque vectoring assistance, this convertible is just as at home on coastal highways as it is on tight canyon roads. You'll feel connected to the road in a way few luxury cars allow. In the digital age, no performance car is complete without cutting-edge technology. The SL 300 comes equipped with the latest MBUX infotainment system, a stunning 11.9-inch portrait display with touchscreen functionality, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and integrated navigation. Augmented reality heads-up display, voice command via "Hey Mercedes," and a Burmester surround sound system ensure your drive is as intelligent as it is immersive. This isn't just a car, it's a mobile command center with elegance coded into every interface. The SL 300 incorporates mild hybrid technology into its powertrain, with the EQ boost system providing an additional 21 horsepower and 184 pound-feet of torque in short bursts. This tech not only enhances fuel efficiency and responsiveness but also ensures a smoother, quieter ride at lower speeds. It's the bridge between old-school driving joy and futuristic responsibility, offering lower emissions without sacrificing the Mercedes performance ethos. When it comes to insurance and ownership costs in the US, the Mercedes SL 300 commands a premium reflective of its luxury roadster class. Annual insurance premiums can range from $2,000 to $3,500 depending on driver profile and state, with factors like urban traffic and vehicle usage influencing rates. Compared to rivals like the Porsche 911 Carrera Cabriolet or the BMW 8 Series convertible, the SL 300 stands out for its balance of daily drivability and brand prestige. Depreciation remains moderate, especially when purchasing newer model years with comprehensive service records and factory warranties. For resale value, the SL 300 tends to perform well in the long term. Its classic design, connection to a storied SL lineage, and reputation for build quality make it a highly desirable vehicle in pre-owned markets. Collectors particularly value models with AMG styling packages, limited edition trims, or bespoke interiors. Lightly driven, well-maintained SL300s can hold strong value and may even appreciate over time depending on production volume and regional demand. Now let's talk about ownership. Driving the SL300 daily is a joy, and a clear lifestyle choice. It's perfect for long scenic drives, business commutes in style, or weekend escapes with the top down. You're not just commuting, you're making a statement. The Mercedes-Benz owner community is robust, with SL-specific forums, nationwide club events, and a heritage that's celebrated around the world. OEM parts and support from certified dealerships ensure that keeping your SL in peak condition is straightforward, while aftermarket options provide plenty of room for personalization. And if you're wondering how it compares in a US roadster battle, the SL300 holds its ground with poise and flair. Against the likes of the Jaguar F-Type convertible or Lexus LC500 convertible, the Mercedes offers a more refined drive with superior infotainment and a deeper motorsport legacy. It delivers top-down thrills without compromising ride comfort or interior quality, making it a standout in both the garage and on the open road. Before we wrap up, let's talk about what makes the SL300 stand apart. It's not just faster, it's more intelligent. It's not just luxurious, it's purposeful. This machine doesn't follow the road, it defines it. Whether you're a veteran enthusiast, a luxury buyer crossing over into performance, or someone looking for that perfect balance between prestige and passion, the Mercedes SL300 speaks directly to your soul. It's timeless, thrilling, and unmistakably Mercedes-Benz. Thanks for riding with Carz Trends. If you enjoyed our deep dive into the Mercedes SL300, don't forget to like and subscribe. We bring you the hottest, most tech-driven car reviews weekly. Drop a comment below on which vehicle you want us to review next. Stay tuned, stay driven, and as always, keep your wheels moving forward. Until next time, this is Carz Trends, driving dreams into reality.